Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can deposit money in a Revolut account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Revolut app. Now there are plenty of ways for you to do that. So once you have opened up your amount, you can see there is a zero balance. Now you're going to tap on this option of add money given at the bottom. Then from over here, you're going to find this kind of interface which is add money, and we already have an added method which is Apple Pay given. But if you like to change, you can simply tap on this change option given beside. That means you can add any other as well. As you can see over here, there are plenty of methods, which is first is definitely salary one. You can get paid into Revolut. Enjoy next get paid directly to Revolut by the salary method. That is, if you're getting paid, simply they will directly pay you on your Revolut. Other is you can add it from your bank transfer. You can do regular bank transfer. You can even do ideal and debit or credit card. You can add any of the method that you would prefer. You can tap on any of them and add in the information of your account or your card and connect it, and then you can go back, add in the amount, and tap on at the bottom, pay with the Apple Pay, pay with the bank transfer, pay with the card, whatever the option will be, and your money will be added to your Revolut likewise. As I mentioned, it's just a very easy method. Make sure to add in the transaction method first. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.